Hey guys, welcome back to part 3, most likely the final part of my KTM 125 top end. Today we are going to be putting a cylinder together, putting the whole bike back together, and starting it up for the first time. All hopefully in one video. So, start with video, or not video, cylinder, and putting that on. I got fresh gaskets by Nomura. Pretty nice pistons, or gaskets, I apologize for that. So first things first, I'm going to scrape off some of this gasket material that's left, because I don't want that there. It won't make the most optimal seal, which that would be uncool. And in the previous video, put the piston in, and that is all good to go. The Nomura 125 piston. Got that in, got that all ready to go. So I'm just gonna clean off this, make sure I don't get it in there, because down here is the bottom of, that's my transmission. This hole right here is completely open to inside of my case. And it'd be uncool if I got some gasket. It'll probably be fine because it's like paper, but still, that'd be uncool. I want to keep as little stuff in the transmission. Okay. And as this video is being filmed, my other previous video is being edited. So this video might come like a day after the part 2. So what should we do first? I think what I'm going to do first is grease the gasket. How is this going to go? It's going to go like this. I'm just going to put this down. So, yeah, I'm going to wait. Should be going something like, yeah, like that. Okay. So I'm going to grease this up, put it on, slide the cylinder on, torque it down, torque the base nuts down. Now I'm debating, this is the stock thickness the stock thickness of gasket. I have another one that's a bit thicker. I'm wondering if I should run that, only because it's gonna kind of lower the compression. I don't know, I'll just keep it OEM. Do how it's supposed to go. Okay, I'm gonna grease this up. And the grease helps, one, seal it, and it also helps it when in the future when I take it off, helps it come off. It keeps it from like sticking and binding, which is uncool. Very uncool. And then for the oil that I'm going to be putting on the piston, I'm just going to use some Ace Hardware brand 2-stroke oil. It's not the best. I wouldn't recommend running it in your gas, but I would recommend it makes a good assembly lube, because it's a bit thicker. It burns off pretty easily, and yeah, that's the only cool things I can think of. Oh, and it's pretty cheap. It's very cheap actually, which is a very good benefit. So I'm just going to dab it up to give it like a texture, bumpy textured surface. And I'm going to put it on. Also, greasing your gasket helps it stick, which makes it so it won't move around. Okay, I'm going to wipe my fingers off, and keep it going. Okay. So, now, I'm going to put some oil on the piston. Are you kidding? This is why you don't wear flip-flops in the garage. I just dripped some two-stroke oil down my toe. And the piston doesn't need a heavy coating. Just needs a light coating to keep it from being dry when going in. Just get the whole piston all juiced up. Might as well get the top too. That was pointless, but why not? So now I want to get the piston rings in their spots before I put the cylinder on. Okay, like that. You can get out of here. Just cramp that up there. I think I'm going to take the CDI off just to make this a bit easier. What is it? Just a 8mm bolt? That's what it looks like. Nice. Oh, it's two 8mm bolts. How am I going to get this in there? You know? 1, 2. Let's put that somewhere out of the way, like up there. There we go. Now I should be able to just put the cylinder back on. Okay. Make sure the rings are in their place. Here, I'm gonna pause the video so you guys don't have to look at my head while I put the cylinder on. Okay, I got the cylinder on enough for me, or I got the piston in enough for the rings to slide in. Just so I can get out of your guys' way. Please don't be a pain. Okay, there we go. Ah, yes, look at that. Oh, yeah. Woo! It's got some... The cylinder head isn't even on it. It feels like it's got more compression. Oh, yeah. So, I'm going to get these nuts on. Probably won't torque them down in front of you guys, only because it's just more work. Well, not work, but I want to keep this video as short as possible so I can show you guys running. So I'm going to put these bolts on, torque them down, and I'll get to you guys when I put the cylinder head on. Okay, I got the cylinder, the base nuts. And, man, oh man, this thing's got some... The cylinder head isn't even on. What? Am I in first? I am. That's epic. That makes me happy. So now, I don't need to oil these or grease these. So I'm going to go put the grease away. I'm going to put the... And I'm going to put the cylinder head on, put the bolts in. Let me just check what torque settings are. So the cylinder head bolts have a strange tight. They want them at 13.5 foot-pounds, which was like 20 newton meters, which I don't know. So I guess I'm gonna have to set this to 13. The hell? Why is this tightened all the way? I think it's because I let my friend borrow it. And he tightened it all the way. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13.5. That's a goofy number. What are these? These are 10s, right? Either 10s or 12s. 10s. So, I need to get a large 10 mil. Ah. Damn it. And a large 1/4 10 mil socket. Should be pretty easy. That's it. That's a 16. What the hell? Here we go. 10? 10. Good. So, as usual, do these in star pattern. First, we gotta put the gaskets in. I'm gonna put the center O-ring in. And then put the main cylinder head gasket on. Nope. Please stay. Please stay. Please stay. Please stay. Thank you. This can just be put on. Nope. Man, that's why I hate O-ring gaskets. Are you kidding me? It's just here to mess with me, isn't it? Nope. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna put some grease on that because it's just gonna keep fighting me, so. Really? Okay. Just here to annoy me. And now shouldn't be acting up on me anymore. There we go. Now I'm going to wipe out the inside with the paper towel. Put the cylinder head on. Inside's in, right? Yep. Okay. Put these in. And now we tighten and torque them down to a strange torque setting. And the manual even says what to tighten it to if you don't, or how many turns you have to turn it. It's 3 1/4 turn to turn it with to get to the 13.5 foot-pounds or 20 Newton meters. Which, I mean, that's kind of cool. So if you're like at the racetrack or something, you gotta do it on the fly, you don't have a torque wrench. But I got time, so. And then I'll put the CDI and stuff back together off camera, I think. I'll put the radiator hose. I'll put everything back together except for the tank and seat. And then I'll put some coolant in it. And I'll fire her up. See if she runs. Now I'm going to torque these down in a star pattern, so, but, okay, that's got a lot more. Make sure you grab it by the handle. Okay. Damn, what the hell? Nice. Okay. Okay. Why are you doing this to me? Here we go. Nice. Nice. Now I'm going to do this one. Epic. Last but not least. Damn, what the hell? Oh, okay, there we go. Nope. Epic. Want to make sure. Okay. Nice. And nice. I'm gonna put the spark plug in, feel its compression. Because before I could like push it. That's kind of what the compression felt like, just no spark plug before. So I'm wondering how it's gonna feel now. I'm gonna put the spark plug in. And they say 15, so you know what? I might as well just do it. I did the base, I did everything torque, so why not just do it with the spark plug too? That was pretty easy. I'm not gonna start it, but oh my gosh, my weight into it. That's epic. So I thought about it, and you guys are going to watch me put it back together. Let's see here. What does this bolt, nut and bolt go to? Wait a minute, what? Oh, bro, that's crazy. Is it this? I think it is. Oh, no, I know it is. Never mind. So, put the CDI on. And I'm going to put the hose, or the, actually, let's see. Yeah, I'll put this on first. So, put those on. These, they don't even have a torque setting in the manual, so I'm just going to tighten them down. Wrong way. Nice. Epic. Next up, I'm going to put the engine mounts on. Wow, just wow. There we go. Same with on the engine. Put the other side on. Then put these nuts on. And they say 12 foot-pounds. So I'm just going to make it tight, I guess. These aren't supposed to be that tight. I mean, yeah, they're supposed to be tight, but not supposed to be death gripping the engine. And they are both 13 mil. So, there's one 13, and the other 13, I saw it over here somewhere. Somewhere over here. Not too sure. What the hell? I think I might have threw it back over here. Yes, and that is what I did. Okay. There we go. And last but not least, the bottom. Oh, there we go. Now, let's see. Put the spark plug on. And put the radiator hose on, I think. And I think that's all I gotta do. That's all that's left. CDI. All I gotta do now is put the pipe, tank, seat on, fill it up with some coolant. We're about ready to start it. So I'm gonna skip ahead. I'm gonna skip the pipe part because that was just a pain in my ass last time. So you'll be seeing me putting the tank and seat on. Okay guys, I buttoned everything up on the top end. Put the spark plug in, got the muffler and the expansion chamber on, got the coolant hose on. Everything's on. Just gotta put the gas tank and the seat back on. And you guys, and then I'm gonna fill it with some coolant and start her up. There we go. Okay. Now, there's the bolts. Here we go. You gotta be careful with the radiator bolts because I don't know how much I trust torquing down bolts on thin sheets of metal. Okay. Okay. Got the main tank bolt on. Now I got these little, now I got the radiator bolts, which I'm going to go slow. And I'm going to torque that, or tighten that down by hand. Right now, I'm getting so close. I'm getting excited actually, very excited. Plug this exhaust hose in. Okay, it's tight. Now on this side, there we go. Oops. Hope I didn't trip it. No, I did not. Okay, so now I gotta put this hose clamp on, or the hose. I'm gonna need pliers for the hose clamp. Okay, there we go. Now let's see. So I forgot to take the seat bolt out of the seat. Okay. Nice. Well, now all I gotta do left is put some coolant in. So I'm gonna see, get you guys a little more situated. I'm gonna be putting this, what is this called? Shop Pro coolant. And it's yellow, which is one of the only colors I've never seen in coolant. I've seen green, I've seen blue, I've seen red. But but I've never seen yellow. So, give me this here. Really? I'm gonna get a different funnel. Yeah, I think this will work. It's a bit skinny, but should work. And I'm gonna crack this bolt over here loose and take it off, because this bolt is like a bleeder thing. Should have done that first. Oh my gosh. I don't want to rush anything. I don't want to break anything. There we go. Nice. And this should be mixable with all coolant types, which is nice. And it's 50-50, so I don't have to mix it with water. Let's see. Reuse, do not add water. We use a direct Shop Pro intended life of the little. Coolant can be added to any freeze coolant, make any model car, light duty truck. Okay. Go. Gotta take a deep breath. It's not that special. Where's my razor? Here it is. Oh, weird. It is bright neon. Looks kind of like lemonade. Strange yellow color. Oh. Well, there's the fail of the day. I don't know what just happened. Kind of smells like lemonade too. This is why you keep cardboard under your bike when stupid things like that happen. I think I was walking too fast and made it overflow. But here we go. Why are you dripping? What is dripping? What the hell is going on here? I swear I got a coolant defunction or something. I don't know what's really with me, but I just cannot pour coolant for the life of me. This is why you keep cardboard under your bikes, guys. Why you keep cardboard under it. And this is why you keep towels with you too. How much have I gotten in? Oh, nothing. Not quite full to the top. And I still don't know why this is dripping. Gosh. What the hell? Oh, okay. Okay, now I know why. I'm glad that it overflowed that time. What did I do with the bolt? Right here. This can get out of here. But this is why you keep cardboard under your bikes. Stupid things like this. And now, you can wipe it all up. Okay, I got it everywhere. That aside, because I'm probably gonna have to put more in before, not before, but I'm gonna start it up and let everything get flowing. Probably gonna have to add more in, which is to be expected. Wipe everything up. Don't want coolant everywhere. Okay, here we go for first start. Where am I going to put you guys? Put you all right there. Turn the gas on. I think I'm going to need a choke. It's pretty cold out today. Okay. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna go put a real shoe on. I'll be right back. Okay guys, got some real shoes on. I'm gonna take my bike off the stand because I don't trust the stand. I don't know why. And also I feel better if I'm sitting on the bike. Gas is still on. I pumped it over though. See if the coolant level changed. Probably not. Probably needs to really get moving before I can see if the coolant changed. I'll get this out of the way. Okay, here we go. guys. Woo! Woo! So I need to do 2 heat cycles on it first, and then gotta do some 2 heat cycles, and then I gotta do some light, low RPM riding. But I'd call that a massive success, and a massive success for me, guys, because this is the first big bike top end I've done. Because I did a top end on my bicycle end, my motorized bicycle, and I did a top end on my KE100, but those are simple, stupid little 2-strokes that air cooled, not much to them. So this is kind of my first big boy bike that I've, guess you can say, rebuilt. So I'm gonna put some 2 heat cycles on it. Thanks guys for watching this series, and in the future, any other projects, go on this playlist that I'm gonna add of basically just dirt bike maintenance. So thank you guys for watching. See y'all in another video.